Welcome back! For those who are new here, hi, I'm Teacher Melike, nice to meet you. Welcome and welcome back to English Central. Today we will talk about 7 different ways to use off in English. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting updates. Now, let's get started. Off can have many meanings depending on the context it is in. As an example, when something goes bad or when it is spoiled, like that forgotten milk in the fridge. It is easy to state that the milk is spoiled using off. Now, keep that sentence in your head, the milk is spoiled, and change the word spoiled with off. The milk is off, and that's it. 2. When going somewhere. You can use off when you want to state that you are going somewhere or when asking someone where they are going. As an example, where are you off to? I'm off to the store. And you should be off to our website once this lesson ends. You can click on the link in the description box to visit our website. We have amazing content varying from business life to daily life to academic life to hobbies. Whatever topic you want to practice with, you can do it on our website. You can also have live lessons with our teachers or try our group lessons. Your first lesson is for free. But for now, let's continue. 3. When you are talking about someone acting weird. When you see someone acting weird, maybe even crazy like the Mad Hatter from Alice in Wonderland, you could say, he's a bit off. This means the person is acting differently than what we think is normal. For the Mad Hatter, we are the ones acting crazy, probably. I don't know, ask Johnny Depp. 4. When you are sick. When you don't feel well or when you feel ill, you can use off again. As an example, you can tell your mom, Mom, I don't want to go to school today. I feel off. 5. When you don't have to work. We use off for the days we don't have to work too, as in off day or day off. This means it is a weekend, holiday, or whatever that you are not working that day. You can say, today is my off day, or I've got my day off tomorrow. 6. When something is weird. Just like how we talked about the Mad Hatter situation, when something is weird or if it makes us feel weird/scared, we use off again. So it doesn't have to be a human. It can be a place, an object, or simply a feeling. You could say, this place is off, or I get an off vibe, or this mirror looks off. 7. Wrong measurements. If something isn't looking like how it should be, you can say it is off. Let's take a step back and look at the this mirror looks off example. In the previous title, I meant that the mirror looks weird or scary. But in this title, we will use it a bit differently. Let's assume the mirror is hanging on the wall, but it's a little tilted to one of its sides. You can say the mirror is off. This time the context is different, so the way we use off is different as well. And there you have it, 7 different ways to use off in English. Would you like to learn more? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click on the link in the description box and visit our website to learn more about it. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time, take care.